Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So, yesterday, I had just finished watching, the other day, I had just finished watching Transformers. Yesterday I had just finished watching, I had just finished watching Transformers 4, Age of Extinction, and it's a pretty decently okay movie. Although they do say that it's been 5 years since the events of the end of Transformers 3, Dark of the Moon, which is technically the whole. Anyways, if we're going by that standard, right? If we're going by when the filming released or the filming started, right, of Transformers 3, right? If we're going by that, right? 5 years would be 2009. 2 years before that was 2007. No, yeah. No, wait. 2007 would have been 2 years. So 5 years would have been like 2015. This takes place in 2015. A full decade of when the filming began. If we're going by filming standards, if we're going by when the filming began or should have started, theoretically speaking. But if we're going by when the movies came out, 2007, right? 2 years later would be 2009. 3 years after that would be 2012. And 5 years after that would be 2017. So there's a pretty interesting gap there, depending on how you look at it. How I look at it in terms of the arc, 2005, 2007, 2012, and then when we pick up from after the events of Transformers 4, 2017 would probably be the best guess estimate of when Part 4 picks up. Because that makes perfect sense to me. I could be wrong, but it is a pretty interesting take on how you look at the canonicity of the main 5 modern day Transformers movies. But it's a pretty decent movie. Mark Wahlberg is pretty good in this movie. Although it does fall flat at times. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys so far for right now. Please like, share, subscribe, and catch you guys on the flip side.